The location of Prstava Počerkovo is something else. It's quiet, remote, and there's this undeniable sense of magic in the air. Let me show you around. If you look north from the house, you'll see the Kum mountain, standing tall and quietly watching over everything. In the west, there's a forest that belongs to the state. I've spent hours wandering through it. I'd search for mushrooms and stumble across animals. It's the kind of place that feels alive if you get to know it well enough. If you look to the south, you'll see the Yatna forest. Some locals claim bears live there, while others say it's just a rumor meant to keep rival mushroom foragers away. Standing in front of the house, you have a clear view of the nearby white church. Behind it, a hill rises. It's my favorite spot to look back at the house. The hill fades into more forest, but at the top, there's this open field. I like to sit there, just staring out at the view. It's peaceful, like the world pauses for a moment to breathe. And finally, at the northeast, the view that I have from my bedroom window, you'll see the village of Swibno. Beyond its church, there's a hill with ruins of a castle on top. Standing at the top of this hill, you're greeted with a breathtaking view of the entire valley, as if you're on the edge of a world that feels both expansive and full of hidden secrets. It's the kind of place that makes you feel small and infinite at the same time.